We continue with the definitions of proof sequence. So I already write down in here. A proof sequence is a sequence is a sequence of WFF. We already know the WFF before is the well formed formula in which WFF is either a hypothesis or the result of applying one of the formal system derivations rules to earlier WFFs in the sequence. I'm not sure whether you can digest these definitions or not, but the key point here, the proof sequence, once it is a sequence, take note, sequence of WFF. Okay, which WFF? One, it is the hypothesis, or the next one is result of applying one of the formal system derivation rules to earlier WFF in the sequence. So number 2. So if I write down the definitions of the proof theory or the proof sequence, we call 1, it is a sequence of WFF. So the question, which WFF? First is the hypothesis. Remember, when we talk about the arguments, the arguments consist of hypothesis with the conclusions or the final statements. So coming back to the definitions, is the sequence of WFF, which the WFF itself, one is can be the hypothesis, and another one is result of applying one of the I will just put it in short, derivations rules. So this is the proof sequence contents of. Okay, the next question is, what are the derivation rules, formal system derivation rules here? Because here another contents of the sequence of the WFF or the proof sequence itself is result of applying one of the derivation rules. So who are the derivation rules? One is equivalence rules, and then inference rules, and the third one, deductions method. So we will discuss one by one. What is that equivalence? What is that inference? And what is that deduction method on the next video, so we can get a clear understanding the definitions of this proof sequence itself. Okay.